Hey guys, so iQoo over the weekend has been teasing its first 5G smartphone in India, but now we have the TENAA listing as well as 3C listing showing us the complete specs of what is rumored to be called the iQoo 3. But before we get to the specs, first let me tell you a few things about the company iQoo. iQoo is a sub-brand of Vivo in China that specializes in making gaming-centric phones which are affordable. Now it is set to enter India as an independent brand, much like what Xiaomi did with their Poco brand. Now going back to the phone, the iQoo 3 was listed both on TENAA and 3C with the model number V1955A, and this is how the device looks from the front. A display with a punch hole cutout for selfies. The phone is a bit on a heavier side, weighing in at 214.5 grams and with a thickness of 9.16 mm. According to TENAA listing, the upcoming flagship phone will pack a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. The phone recently popped up in a pair of alleged live images revealing a flat panel with a punch hole and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Powering the phone is the octa-core processor clocked at 2.84 GHz, which is most likely the Snapdragon 865 SoC. And since this is a 5G chipset and the phone is a 5G phone, it's a no-brainer. It will be paired with 6GB, 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage based on the configuration. Talking about the cameras, the iQoo 3 is set to pack a quad rear camera setup that goes like this. That's a 64 megapixel main sensor plus 13 megapixel plus another 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel lens. We don't know the functionality of the sensors right now, but we expect it to include a regular RGB sensor, a wide-angle lens, a macro shooter and a depth sensor or a telephoto lens. On the front sits a 16 megapixel shooter for selfies and video calls. About its battery, it will be supported by a 4410 mAh battery, and as per the 3C listing, it will offer 55W fast charging support with USB Type-C port. It's also said to pack 3.5mm headphone jack. So that's the whole package from iQoo. The phone offers great display, powerful processor, decent camera setup, and a battery which is capable of taking you through a day or two with ease. Now about its launch, it will likely debut in India later this month. More information about this will be coming soon with live images, so stay tuned, subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Peace out.